Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting into the router now. Open a browser and type the router IP, usually 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1. Log in with admin credentials. If you don't know them, check the router label or your ISP documentation. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless settings page. Make sure the device you'll switch is connected so you can test immediately. This step ensures you can see both 5 GHz and 4 GHz options. Now locate the wireless band or SSID settings. Routers often list 5 GHz and 4 GHz separately. If both bands share one SSID, either rename the 4 GHz SSID or set your device to prefer 4 GHz in its Wi-Fi adapter settings. Make the change, save or apply, and wait for the router to restart if required. You're doing this because 4 GHz offers better range and device compatibility, even though throughput may be lower. Finish by reconnecting your device to the 4 GHz network and run a speed and range check. Make sure devices that needed 4 GHz now function. If you can't see 4 GHz, power cycle the router, check firmware updates, and confirm the 4 GHz radios aren't disabled. If problems persist, forget the network on your device and rejoin, or reset the router settings as a last resort. This clears conflicting settings while preserving your goal of stable 4 GHz connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.